First, we need to wash hands so that it's before we touch any food.
Alright, secondly, we have to wear gloves to prevent anything.
Thank you.
Okay.
Then
Yes.
we need to
Can you already make it a bit
be fire.
fire? So now,
So now we put
okay.
the ingredient.
The ingredients are, now I'm going to put some onion, potato, and also the lime. Fry it until there's a smell of aroma coming with a spoonful of tablespoon for the oil. Just only 2 tablespoons. I'm going to put up all the ingredients that I have cooked earlier because it saves my time. It's only half an hour. It's not enough for me to everything prepared here. The ingredients are, please can you help me put the Indian ingredients for the chicken, the green, especially for green chili, lemongrass, and then I don't know what is it, lengkuas in Malay. I think you should know. And then turmeric, fresh turmeric. This one onion, small onion, and also the garlic and ginger. This is for recipe for my chicken. So now you stir it, you kacau-kacau, and then after that
Give it smell lah.
give it smell until the aroma comes out.
Okay. We leave first lah.
After that,
Then after that,
can you make the fire big? Big minute.
besar.
Besarkan.
Tapi pasal your mango salad is
Then after that, I'm going to pour the coconut milk. But not too much lah, because healthy lifestyle. I'm using the spoon to stir the coconut milk.
Tik senyap je.
Sorry.
Concentrating.
Concentrating.
Nervous lah.
4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Not too much because it's healthy lifestyle.
Confirm mati lah.
Yeah. 10.
If we put, I put just kan.
What? Cannot be. After the recipe will be in a different dishes, different taste. Yeah. So now,
Can you do everything?
yeah, but quick faster can.
Okay, we should have.
Do slightly like that. Okay, Nora can start garnishing, but can you give me, yeah, one thing I forget from my chicken recipe is,
Oh, the daun ni.
yeah, the parsley, roots. The roots can be make our aroma comes out more better. And also I put all those ingredients inside.
Malah.
Then after that, you just close it. Close. You can prepare for the dish inside.
Tapi
Yes. You want the mango? Mango 20 minutes.
Yeah, 1 mango 20 minutes. No. Okay, Syafiq, I think you leave it there. Let your auntie do. You can stick up. You know not how to do the traditional dishes? You know? You put all those ingredients inside.
Yes, I just
And then you stir it.
Alright.
Huh? So you kacau it. And slowly.
Kacau it. I stir it.
But slowly, yeah.
Okay, relax.
Oh yeah, I'm going to introduce about my rice. I forgot. Sorry. The rice ingredients are the onion, the ginger, and the garlic. And also, just not forget to bring the ghee. The ghee minyak sapi. Then after that, the ghee and this one, all the spices. After you blend all this, you put all the minyak sapi about 150 grams because I'm cooking 300 than that. 300 grams of rice. I'm using a basmati. Yes, it's enough for you all. I'm using this basmati rice. Okay. And then after that, I cook it earlier because as I been told, it's not enough time for me to cook here, right? So I'm cooking it earlier at home. Then the way to cook is put in the minyak sapi. And then after that, you put the spices, make it the aroma smell comes. Then after that, you put the water. All the aroma comes. Then after that, you put the rice and the yellow meat. I'm using a yellow meat, but I never make it today. So and then after that, you let the rice cook first. Then about 3/4 cook, I put some kismis, and then the cashew nut and the green peas. All are inside here. So I've been cooking it earlier. So I think you can have a look at it. This one, sorry, I forget. Don't mind that. Okay, the fire slow. You can put some water, please.
Sing. Yes, I will sing. 5 minutes later.
How you feel it?
Again, if you do something wrong.
Yeah.
Next.
Okay, next time I show you. Which you don't know how to pick the mango. Like this. One is enough. Okay. Long time. Okay lah. Mak tu orang yang oh, you must not manipulate me. It's very. Should not do like that. Okay, Shafi, now you have to do. Have your auntie to do.
Right, tengok.
Okay. The cucumber. You cut it into small pieces. So I will close it until the flavor comes and the aroma smells very good. It takes a long time to cook because since my grandmother told me, if you cook any dishes, any curry or what, especially the spices, all those must be in fully cooked so that can last longer. And also the ingredients will smell very nice, and then it also the taste will finish or not?
Finishing.
Finishing one.
Yeah, you must teach the sorry. This one not.
Okay, you also do the garnishing how long? How long?
Not how long, slowly.
Can
And the
cannot be slowly. Should know the time.
Hey, you don't need power.
Okay, now I'm going to put. I prepare it also at home because it's no time for me to fry it. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Actually, this is one piece of chicken, and then I add it.
Nyanyi, sing.
You marinate. So you let it cook, let all the flavor goes into the chicken, so that you can once you did the chicken, you can feel the flavor first. You parut like this lah.
Parut balik.
Yes.
Nyanyilah, Nenek. Aduh, siapa yang punya cucu bilang aku. Itulah. Nyanyi sikit lah, nyanyi lah.
Dia tak nak nyanyi.
Ha,
Aduh, masuk masih.
nyanyilah lagu-lagu sapi tinggal.